I'm Dan Fernback with MarineMax Huntington, New York, staying here on the Scout 275 Dorado. Let's go take a look. The first thing you're going to notice on the aft is an ample amount of seating that wraps around the entire area. It's also easily convertible into a nice fishing boat. So as you can see, it goes from a ton of seating that wraps around all the way to a lot of space. This is a removable table, also articulates. This boat's powered by twin 200 Mercury Dorados. Fish boxes on either side. As you can see, we have a refrigerator, a sink, and plenty of tackle storage. The bow, you're going to have a nice deep cockpit, so if you have children that are up at the bow, everyone's inside the boat safely. You're also going to have the windlass and a standard table, drinks, and then you're going to be able to have an insulated cooler box forward. It has a very spacious head. With the faux teak flooring. Also equipped with the Garmin Fusion radio that has Bluetooth capabilities. For more info on this boat, I'd love to help you out. My name is Daniel Fernback with MarineMax Huntington. You can reach me at 908-330-2727. Thank you.